Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Another day with another interesting program. I am calling this program as ghost writing program because somebody will one application will open Notepad and it will write something without my interaction with this keyboard. Okay, before going to the program, we at least know three basic concepts. Although it is not mandatory, but it is preferable. If you know, you will understand this program easily. First is AWT. AWT is one package in Java. It is mainly used for Windows Toolkit programming, graphical user interface programming in Java. Another is the robot class. This class is part of that package AWT, which is mainly used for automation, self-running demo, test automation, or other application where control of the mouse keyboard is needed. Another is Java runtime class, whose main purpose to execute any outer application or any outer process. Okay, now directly jump to this Eclipse and start running this program. Okay, I will go and I will explain bit by bit in this program, but before that, let's start and let's understand what is going on in this program. Okay. Now I just let my hand from this keyboard. Now somebody opened this notepad and write something. Okay, now let's understand this program in more detail. This is the main function, and inside this main function we calling one line runtime get runtime exe notepad exe. So runtime is a class. Get runtime will return on runtime object, and exe notepad exe is the another application or another process. It will start another process notepad exe. That means when control will come here, another application notepad exe will be open up. So first you saw like first this notepad come up. This is through this line. Okay, so this opening of this notepad application will take some time. That's why we put sleep for 2000 milliseconds. Okay, now I told some time before, like robot is a class of this Java IoT package, like AWT package. So here we already included this AWT package here, and robot class, you can see this is a part of this package. So we just declared the robot object here, and one function we put here, key press. Key press is meant to press a key without my interaction with this keyboard, and it is going to print this W. So I'll put some sleep here, because I putting some sleep here, it will come feeling like somebody is typing there. That's why 500 millisecond put here, and you can see here WELCO, and then some space, welcome space, then 2 space, then hell. So only using this function I have written, I prepared one application which will open this notepad automatically and will write something. So there is no ghost. It is the application and the robot who did the ghost job. And that's for today. If you like this program and you want I will contribute similarly some interesting program, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.